Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing these 3 adorable mechanical keyboards from Epomaker. Many of you have been expressing interest in my mechanical keyboards from my past videos. I thought it'd be great to review these 3 from Epomaker since I believe they're great entry-level keyboards if you're interested in getting into the hobby. Now, let's get into the unboxings. First up is the Epomaker SK61. Next is the Epomaker 3068 Silent. Lastly is the Epomaker World Tour Tokyo 3084. I also received some mechanical keyboard cables from Maisy. Having a pretty keyboard is nice, but having a pretty cable helps tie everything together. The cable itself is well built, the coil is tight, and the sleeving feels high quality. My personal favorite is the white one. These keyboards each have their own personality, and I'm super excited to see how they feel when typed on. Let's start off with the Tokyo 3084. It's a 75% keyboard with genuine Cherry MX blue switches. For anyone who loves clicky switches, this is the one to get. It's also Bluetooth, which makes it easy to connect to any device. It also has a kickstand that supports 2 different typing angles to suit your ergonomic needs. What I love about this keyboard are the unique keycaps that they come with. I love the Tokyo theme and the cute koi fish and cat keycaps. It's minimal, has character, and it's super fun. Let's hear how it sounds. Next up, let's check out the Epomaker 3068 Silent. According to the Epomaker website, this keyboard has Gateron orange switches. They are silent tactile switches. The bump isn't huge, but it's noticeable. It's also Bluetooth. It's definitely a great keyboard option if you are using this keyboard around other people, since it's not too loud, especially compared to the previous keyboard which had clicky switches. It came with these nice blue and purple keycaps, which you can swap with the gray ones to customize it further. Let's hear how this one sounds. Lastly, let's look at the Epomaker SK61. This keyboard has Gatoron optical blue switches. They're clicky, just like the Cherry MX Blues, though they're not as tactile and they're a bit quieter. This particular keyboard is not Bluetooth, but there's a Bluetooth version of it on Amazon. What makes this keyboard stand out to me is the keycap profile. They have a flatter profile that makes the keyboard feel more sleek and minimal. The lettering on the keycaps are nice, big, and centered, which I'm a huge fan of if you've seen my main pastel keyboard, which I've featured many times in my previous videos. The big font gives the keyboard a whole new vibe. It feels less office-like. This keyboard paired with the white Ascenti cable is beautiful. Let's hear how this one sounds. So which keyboard did you like the most? I personally really love the Tokyo themed keyboard the most. The keycaps are super fun, have a lot of character, and they remind me of my time in Japan a couple years back. But the keycap profile in the SK61 is my favorite. I'm a huge fan of the flatter keycaps, especially with the centered font. Building a custom keyboard can be a bit confusing and expensive, but these are already built and are a pretty good value for the price. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure had a lot of fun filming it. See you next time!